Newton's laws of motion changed the world as we know it. How did he know so much? Well, he recognized that for every action, there is an equal but opposite reaction. Whoa! In this review, we're going to take a look at Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action, there is an equal but opposite reaction. In the case of these bowling balls, we can have an elastic collision. That means when they smash together, they are going to bounce back apart. Woo! Isaac Newton lived in England from 1642 to 1726. During his life, he had a profound impact as the father of modern physics and calculus. He considered himself a natural philosopher. What he meant by that is he studied the world around him to see how things interact and work. To me, that means he was studying God's handiwork in the world to find patterns pointing to a creator. Newton's first law, which was objects in motion stay in motion and move in a straight line, or objects at rest stay at rest unless they're acted upon by an outside force. The second law, which was force equals mass times acceleration. And the third law, which is for every action there's an equal but opposite reaction, come together to show how the entire world works and how everything moves. So in 1760, after Newton's death, those three laws laid the foundation for the Industrial Revolution.
You've been watching the short versions of Science Foundations. We have full lab videos that can be streamed on our Patreon page or downloaded from our online store. Use the links below to access them. Buy the entire set of 75 episodes of Science Foundations, or just one episode or season at a time as you need them. In addition to the lab videos, we provide you with accompanying educational resources, such as PDF fillable student study guides and teacher guides filled with glossary terms, study guide key answers, suggested home experiments, and field trip ideas. We're constantly adding new resources, such as coloring pages and word finds. We're here to help your students get the most from these great episodes. Get all of them on our Patreon page or our online store.